Look at that. It's high. It's a long ways down there. All right, Josh here with Tennessee Bavarian, and today we are in South Cumberland State Park in Tennessee. So a couple I just passed, the gentleman stopped and warned me that there's a rattlesnake up under a rock over here. So keep an eye out. That's something pretty common in Tennessee. So if you're ever out and about in the wilderness in Tennessee, this is snake country.
I don't know what I'd say if I had to explain how I ended up. It's all my fault that it cut so deep. But the more I confess, the harder it gets to see.
Holy shit. Man, this is super cool, y'all. Let me watch where I'm going. So the guy I passed said there was a snake somewhere out here. I'm pretty sure he said it was over here.
There's a pale horse coming my way, and I can't do anything. I've come too far to turn back now. So tonight when I go to sleep, I'll pray to remember my dreams somehow.
Y'all, so I put the camera here on the tripod, and I was gonna go over here and try to get the, a good shot where I walk out on the ledge, and I found the snake. He's right there, right up under that rock. You might not be able to see him, but he's right there. So the trail I want to hike goes along this rim to Jeter Falls, and I can either go down, back up, or around. I've actually never been here before, so it's a little bit of a exploratory learning day.
By the light of the fire, always seems so vivid, and the voices sound so living. It seems
You can see the rocks on the stairs. They're not really even. So that's what they call stone door. That is super cool. Wow. This whole ridge line is just covered with bluffs. that offer amazing views. Holy cow, and they're high. Yay, yay, yay. I've been kind of running and walking with my earbuds in, my AirPods. I'm glad I took them out. It's so quiet. Oh man. Heights me up. I even went to airborne school in the Army. I still don't like heights. That's insane.
I'm sinking into old emotions, cut me loose, show me a point of view. Anywhere, anywhere, I found a light in you. I think it's something true. You could eclipse the moon.
I'm telling you, Tennessee is a beautiful state. All right, All Trails final reading, 11 miles on the dot, 1,088 feet in elevation gain. Average pace was 25.18, stopped for some media stuff. Average speed, 2.4 miles an hour, 2,922 calories burned. I am beat. I am beat down. I want to get in this truck and go home and bathe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you.